Okay, I'm inside the Google Sheet. All right, so this is my Google Sheet over here, as you can see. All right, and I put in a small little table about my marketing. Okay, and these are the heading, and then of course the media itself and the status. But imagine if this table is larger, and I want to search for something. Well, of course, I can use the Control F. The one I can do the find. All right. But there's another way to do this is to extract any type of information by using a filter. So the filter is this button over here. You just have to select your heading, right? Click the filter. Okay, just make it. Okay, you can see these two little arrow over here. Okay, now you can click this arrow. Right, you can do sorting. Okay, you can choose what you want to. You can search. Okay, but you can also filter by condition. See, right? You can filter by condition. Okay, and this will give you a smaller set of the table. Okay, and this is very useful for extracting information. Okay, and if you can't find what you want to filter over here, okay, you can actually set your own custom formula or value. Right, so very useful for information extraction.